Welcome to Nasdaq Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. Joining us for this segment, we have Marty Mucci. He is the President and CEO of Nasdaq-listed Paychex to discuss data from the latest Paychex IHS Market Small Business Employment Watch, which is released monthly and focused exclusively on small businesses with fewer than 50 employees. Marty, it's great to see you as always. Welcome back to Trade Talks.
Thanks, Jill. It's nice to be here.
What did the report say about wages on a national level, and what does it show about how employers are responding to tight labor conditions?
Well, it's really very interesting. This is the 6th month that wages have gone up. In fact, a very big increase in this month. We're now over 4% for wage growth over last year. That's one of the highest wage increases we've seen, I think, in over 10 years. And if you look at like a part-time average wage for a part-time employee right now is over $19.60. I mean, that is amazing when you think that 2 years ago, we were all struggling with, could we get to a minimum wage of 15? The average part-timer is now over $19.60. It's amazing.
That really is quite incredible. And we know that they're paying more, but are they hiring more?
Yeah, they're trying to hire more. You know, we're still, leisure and hospitality has seen the strongest growth from a job growth perspective, up over 18% from last year from a job growth perspective. They're paying a lot more. You're seeing, you know, double the amount of businesses now paying bonuses even to part-timers to hire them on. Of course, even leisure and hospitality is still just about 1.4 million under in the number of jobs that we had in leisure and hospitality pre-pandemic.
So we know leisure and hospitality are leading the way. Are there any other sectors that showed some strength?
Other services, you know, that are similar to that, personal services that are for individuals that they're out spending some money on right now. Construction actually has slowed. You know, construction was our fastest growing for quite a while. And now that construction sector has slowed down the last 3 to 4 or 5 months. And I really think it's supply. You know, home buying is still strong and home building, but they're slowed down because of the supply chain getting lumber, et cetera, materials. That has slowed construction down to now second to last from a sector perspective.
Regionally, where did you see strength and weaknesses?
Yeah, South kind of regained the top spot. You know, the South had the best job growth for quite a while, and then it dropped off last month, and the West kind of took over. South is back the strongest. So you're seeing it there. Texas, Florida, Georgia, and then Arizona on the Southwest side are the strongest from a job growth perspective.
And what about on the state and metro level? Are there any trends that you can discern there?
Yeah, and it's pretty much tying with the state. So you're seeing Phoenix still pretty strong. Cities, the major cities in Florida is strong, and in Texas, that's where you're seeing it. I think, you know, there is, because there's people there, you're seeing the best job growth. You know, there's migration, of course, from the Northeast to Florida, to Texas, to Arizona, and they're filling those jobs that are open there. So they're seeing the best job growth.
All right, Marty, we appreciate the insight as always. Thanks for joining us on Trade Talks. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.